OPSOOPI is a seatbelt and steering wheel lock system for your car. We're going to show you how to hook it up and what it's about. As we open up the package, it comes nicely wrapped and protected. It's got a nice color of yellow so it can be seen, and the mechanism in black. You get 3 sets of keys. This attaches to your seatbelt, and this attaches around your steering wheel. Inside the mechanism is a right angle Allen key. Please remove. Theft deterrent. The key's got a nice little design. We are going to place this onto our seatbelt. Our seatbelt's on to the side over here. We're going to lock it into place, keeping the lock facing up. It cannot come out now. The Z-Con lock can only now be removed with a key. You are able to use your seatbelt and remove it. Now what we're going to do is lock our steering wheel by taking the big circle, sliding the locking mechanism through, and locking into the Z-Con. Placing the key in and locking the mechanism. We cannot free the lock unless we take the key, press in, and turn, and it releases. With the key out, we cannot remove the Z-Con locking mechanism. Even with the Allen key, you cannot get this in to remove. In order to remove the system, you can unscrew, place on, push down, and release. And remove the chain, and I could bring this to another car, on the go, on vacation, traveling. This is security for your car needs by the company OPSOOPI. Thank you for viewing.